Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Toyota Yaris YR hatch, stock reference number 3895. This shape runs from the 10th month 2005 through to the 10th month 2011. It has a 2NZ 1.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2NZ 1.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left-hand side. The bonnet appears to have no damage. Radiator grille, right-hand headlight, halogen type. It's got a pretty tidy front bumper cover. Left-hand headlight. This vehicle's fitted with factory 14-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror, non-indicator type. Left rear, 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left tail light. Reasonable rear bar cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. We have the parcel shelf as well. Right rear, 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, non-indicator type. Right front, 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with a grey and black cloth interior. It's got a black centre console lid, centre console, automatic type. Heater controls, factory single stack CD player, instrument cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, owner's manual and service book in a dealer's case, right sun visor, and a tidy 3-spoke steering wheel with no audio, phone or cruise buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.